Hey guys, Andrew from MarineMax Danvers here. Today I'm going to be walking you through a new boat of ours. It's a 2024 Saxdor 270 GTO.
Making our way into the back of the boat here, you see this boat is powered with a 300 horsepower Mercury. Nice glass panels here to enclose you, the kids, and the pets all inside the boat underway. See here the summer kitchen option does have a refrigerator and a sink. That is an option. Making our way forward to the helm here, you'll see a nice Simrad display. This boat does have a bow thruster to make it easy for docking. At the helm seats, you'll see you have 2 seats in the front, and you have 3 in the back for your guests with a table in the middle. Nice ample bow seating with a nice glass windshield, and a nice aesthetically pleasing roof to let the sunshine come right through.
For more information on this Saxdor, give us a call at MarineMax Danvers. My name's Andrew, and my number is 978-879-3721. Thanks.